Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today's a pretty good day. Kind of. I put this up for sale with a package deal for $500 and that's going. Problem is, it broke on me. So the guy's supposed to come back today to come get everything. Picked up that for a really good price. And then remember when I tell you when you go buy something, if they have anything for else? He gave me that for an extra 20 bucks. Wifey came home. Well, how about then, right? Talk about a good stroke of luck. This is my neighbor's lawnmower. I finally bit the bullet. It's blowing white smoke. I gave them the Murray mower, if you guys follow my channel, that I found for free. Running and driving, I gave that to them. So I'm gonna see if I can find a motor for that or whatever. It's a really nice machine. They don't want me to fix it. So then I guess the way the world works is my wife found this in the garbage. She just came home with it. This runs, but it leaks fuel. But the good part is that the model number and serial number are on here because I found the similar machine, but it's missing all the ID tags on it. It needs a carburetor. So now I could use that number, get the carburetor, and fix the other one. It's just funny how the world and the universe works. So I guess that'll be a video. Actually, both of those. I think I'm going to do a video between the both of them, because they're both the same machine, so you know how to change your fuel lines, and you know how to do your carburetor. So anyway, back to business. Let's get this recoil repaired. It's a Kohler Courage. I hate Kohlers, but that's just my personal preference. They're over-engineered, crappy copies. So let's do a new recoil. So we got to get these 3 nuts off. 1, 2, 3, and we should expose the housing. Alright, so I got my Milwaukee M12 ratchet, 10mm socket. Make quick work of these. Right, nice and easy. Fuel cap has to come off. Alright, the recoil housing is now exposed. Let's pop this nut out. See that? We will leave this here. You know what? We'll put that here on the side here. Does this come out? Look at that. So it's already exposed. Alright. Got a pair of dikes. Snap on. Doesn't make a difference. Your pull start rope I buy in bulk. Here's your part number 145612. That I use on lawnmowers, snowblowers. I use this on everything. And I have my, you could use anything, but I need to heat up the rope so you can pass it through. Now the cool part is, this is already, because it has this stopper here. Oh look, it's 2 different color ropes. This has been, I guess, repaired maybe? I don't know. So this is already wound to the perfect height. So we got to figure out a way to jam this up so it doesn't move. And I've never done a Kohler before. It's just weird because you see that there's like can we use that? Yeah. Alright, so stuck my needle nose, see, right in between, and this is gonna hold it. Oh no, that's not gonna hold it. Alright, we need to just somehow lock this in so it doesn't move. That's the game plan. We need to, see, this is where the rope pulls in, so we need to kind of line this up so it increases the chances of when we slide it in that it's going to be successful. You know what? I'm trying to get you guys a good view of what I'm doing. Maybe if I put it here. Elevate it a little bit. You guys have a good view. Alright, so we gotta jam this up. Hopefully that works. We're gonna cut this out and we're gonna try and pull this rope through. If not, you have to go the traditional way and just wind it, hold it, burn it, stick it through. I'm trying to save an extra step. But I think we're going to end up winding this. Now realistically, I could probably cut this, but I want to do the right thing. Just put new rope on there and not be bothered. The guy's spending good money. So, I think I paid less than like anywhere from $5 to $10, you know, for all the rope. And the first time I use it, you know, just to keep, you know, my mental memory good, you know, I charge out the entire string to that machine. So then the rest of the year, it's free. Come on, buddy. All right. We're going to end up pulling this out. See that? All right, fantastic. See, now we pulled all the string out. Now we got to hold it. See this? We got to line up this hole. So we have to jam this up, remember? Let's jam this up. Please hold. So I jam that up. Nice and gentle, right? Here is our existing string. See, there's two different types. This is why I think at some point this was replaced. So, let's see how much we have left here. Oh, this is going to be more than enough. It's always good to compare the old with the new. And I think we're just going to have enough. I thought this would be just enough for a snowblower. And I was going to save it for that. Yeah, this is just enough for a snowblower. Or I have to fix the restart on my backpack blower, so we can save it for that. So here, nice and easy. Now, if you're nervous with the length, it's okay to go extra because you can always adjust and trim it. You don't want to add on because you look like a fool if you do. Let's cut this right here. Okay, this is garbage. Now what you want to do, a lighter, something, anything with heat, right? We're going to melt the tip on both ends. Get this thing nice and hot, because this is laced with plastic, this rope. So, see that? Nice and pointy. Now remember, we have to do this to the other side too because we have to pass it through the handle. Don't be afraid. Alright, that's that. Now, come on baby. See this? We're just going to feed it through. And just stick it in the hole. No lube necessary. I bent this tip up to see if this can help me kind of shove this through. This is it's another reason why I hate Kohlers. They're just really bad clones of Honda engines. I mean, terrible. There we go. See that? Because I bent this tip up, I was able to push it through. Let's get our needle nose. Let's pull it through. Oh, come on. See that? Let's bend this tip down. Okay. And now, let's jam this up again so it doesn't move. We're going to tie a knot, just a very simple knot, like so. We can't go crazy with the knot because remember, it sits in a really thin spot. Okay, that's it. Now, let's do the handle. Here's our handle. See that? Let's pop this out like so. And see, that's where the rope is. Garbage. Now remember, this is to go through here, right? And then go through here. And the same thing, same knot. You don't have to be a Boy Scout to tie this knot, or a Cub Scout. And that's it. Pull it through. Like so. Now, unrelease it, pull this. See, look. Jesus. You gotta try and pack this in there. Now, when we let it go, do not let this thing full rip away. That's it, right? Now check it. You see how these ears come out? That's what's gonna grab. Sit it back on the machine like so. Engine cover is going to go back on. Right? Uh-oh. Can we feed this animal through? Better. I'm going to be pissed. Okay. So let's reverse this. Let's put the recoil, start it through here, you little bastards, like so. And now we know we're good. Twist it, and then we're going to put this all on in one shot. Actually, you don't have to. We'll use the engine cover to hold the recoil assembly. Now it's a good time to check the flywheel. See these fins? This is what cools the engine. If there's any debris in there, blow it out. Gas cap off. Put this cover right back on. Make sure it aligns. Let's get our three 10mm bolts. Slide this. Start them by hand, please. Do not put, if you're using power tools like me of any sort, do not do that off the bat. You do not want to strip anything, or else, I say this over and over again, you're in for a bad time. Actually, you're turning something very simple into something more complicated. That's not necessary. See, I started by hand. Now I'm just giving it a quick rundown with my socket, a couple of quick turns, and I know the thread is good. So let's make quick work of this with the riser. This thing is good to go. Now when you pull the recoil up, make sure you press down on the cable so it's easier to pull it back. That's it. Let's see if she starts. That's it, baby. Less than $5 worth of parts, simple basic hand tools, easy peasy, 1, 2, 3. Let's get this package deal sold. More money in the flip fund, more money in the savings fund for IVF, and we're good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Wait, I keep forgetting. Check me out on Instagram, PATTAY'S Performance. I'm a union heavy-duty diesel mechanic by trade, so you get to see what it's like to be me, and also all the other stuff I do during the day that I can't put on YouTube. So don't forget, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button to my channel. Check me out on Insta. Alright? I'll check you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance.